do a couple different things in this video. First, I'm going to show you, I'm setting up a little Christmas display for my tea table, and I'm just going to add a few little cakes and cookies and things. I just love frosted candles, especially this pretty one with cardinals on it, angels. And then we have one of my little doll trunks, and I put candy in it. I have tea candy and Linder chocolates. I have cocoa latte spoons, which are just like chocolate covered spoons for cocoa with peppermint stick crushed on it. I have a lot of little Christmas candy dishes and things, and I'm going to show you, of course, my favorite candies that I think are essential for every Christmas. First of all, candy ribbon, which is very hard to find unless you go to a candy shop, I feel. But the old-fashioned hard candy mix is always what I always have to have it, because it's just so pretty and it just invokes so many memories. The smell alone of these hard candies, sort of a clovey smell, fruity smell, it just brings me back to my childhood, and I just love it. And of course I was very happy to find these little Scotty dogs. I actually found these at Tractor Supply store, which I was so happy to find them. They're so cute and they're licorice. So let's see how cute these look. This is how they look. They're so cute and they're yummy too. So I'm going to add them to some other candies in the candy dish. See the little gummy ice cream cones and gummy bears, and the kids will really enjoy those. And I wanted to show you this. This is called 12 Days of Sipping, and this was a gift from a friend. And I was so excited. It's all different flavored teas. So let me show you. Like a calendar, like an advent calendar. And each day there's a new flavor of tea. So let's see. Let's try 8. So I've opened 8 and it's honey ginseng. So really cool. Let's see what other flavors are inside. These are the other flavors inside. We have pumpkin spice, chai black tea, British breakfast tea, honey ginseng chamomile. So really, really cool. And it's from the Republic of Tea. Here are 2 other little cakes that I decided would be fun for our little Christmas tea party. We're not doing anything savory at this Christmas tea party. We're just doing sweets. So I have a Tortuga Mexican vanilla rum cake, which I plan on putting into little slices. And then really fun, I have some Christmas pudding. So I will not be lighting on a fire with rum, but the possibility is there if I wanted to. With these cute little Torts Christmas tree and package flavor. They're chocolate inside. They're so good. And I got these holiday cookies, these were such a bargain. This was $2 for this box of cookies. And I just feel like they're packaged so nicely. I think it's a great thing for kids. The coup de grace, this beautiful cake. I got this panettone Italian specialty cake with raisins and orange peel. We eat this sort of thing a lot because my husband is partly Italian, but the main reason why I bought this was for this beautiful Victorian-inspired tin. Okay. On the side, we can see these 2 adorable little children. And then I just love this. So we have the pudding and the vanilla rum cake. Cut up some little cookies, and oh, I love these as well. And it's a nice festive display for a little tea party. And right there, I have my bayberry candle. And you light them on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve to bring health, wealth, and happiness. And here joining us today is one of my favorite dolls. Eleanor. And I've had Eleanor for over 30 years. She's an Armand Marseille, and she's holding her little reindeer. And she's all excited for Christmas. I really love her because she's tall. She's a big doll. And this right here, this is Barnabas, and his real name is Art the Bear, and he's a gunned bear, and he was sold through the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston, so he's really, really cute. They're a couple of pals. I thought this was adorable. I thought this was really pretty. I'm a sucker for Blue Jays and Cardinals. And I want to just also show you a great book. This is a great 1,000 Facts About Birds. And it's a great book for kids. It's a great book for bird lovers. It has really nice pictures. And I'm a member of Mass Audubon, so at the end of, we have these in my neighborhood actually. Blue herons, they're so beautiful. We also have swans down in Buttermilk Bay. It's not a new book, but it is, I think it's a really useful book, and like I said, it has really beautiful pictures, so. And then this little tree, my little quail. And what we're going to do now is we're going to make little pine cone bird feeders. We have string, we have bird seed, we have pine cones, and we're going to get some peanut butter, and we're going to roll the pine cones in the peanut butter, put the bird seed on it, and hang them outside in the trees for the birds. They're going to love it. Are you ready to help some birds?
Oh yeah.
Let's get busy. Is that hard work?
Mm-hmm.
They're gonna love those, right?
Mm-hmm.
This pine cone looks really delicious. I'm gonna hang these out in the trees. The birds are gonna be so happy.